Heba. This is a new game I got on. Looks really pretty cool. Chipanino, so funny. Funny. Chisty. Oh, these look nice. Play. Oh, maybe we can make the volume down a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna watch a video. And then we got that. Oh, damn it, it's 30 seconds. So, I recently just found it, downloaded it, I thought it was pretty cool. I think it was 4 out of 5 stars. Yeah, I think so. These guys really do not learn anything. Okay. Loading. Ooh, okay. Okay. Ooh, okay. Looks like Predator X. Oh no, someone's coming at me. It's an orca. Or killer whale, you can say. Am I at the killer whale now? Ooh, he looks nasty. Sorry, buddy. Ooh, we can go up. There's a humpback whale. Whee! What's this? Ooh. I can get close view. Oh yeah. What's this? Ooh. Ah, God. Is that a boat? Yeah, let's go destroy that boat. It knows that I'm here. It's terrible. Oh, yeah, let's see, it's just not good handy. Yum. Person, get him. Wow. Ooh. Why would there be a person swimming in the sea, in the ocean, with orcas in the middle of the night? And that's like so stupid. Funny. Why was that guy, like, girl, coming straight at me? You can go down. Yeah, this thing is probably definitely a Chronosaur or a Predator X. One of your worst nightmares, Predator X. I didn't even touch that thing. I didn't touch it and it just went in my mouth. Sure, funny. Maybe we can play that later. Me? Do you realize I'm doing something? Okay. I'll be playing Cytherea while doing that. Because my Clash Royale is on my phone. Ooh. Name. Poo. Okay, I might be just pausing for a little bit of moment. Okay, are you on? I might be just pausing for a little bit. Is anybody come on? Are you on? Oh, this other guy on then. Okay, nice.
Yeah, okay.
You lost some cups, didn't you?
Only a bit.
You could say that.
I did say it.
Come on, Ninjago. Good, you got some hits in. Ooh, distraction. Oh no, that wasn't so good. I want that guy to get them hits. Oh no. Oh god.
Didn't even get a bomb.
Not even one.
Not even a death damage.
Oh wow, this guy's big. Oh god. Oh god. That guy is massive. And he's through the Rio. Bam, bam. And guess what? He's not even on the leaderboard. No! I didn't know where I'm going. Oh god. Don't ask again.
Well, that's how he's dead.
Well, obviously. 4 barbarians versus that army. Who will win?
Obviously mine, because I just got my own barbarian.
Well, who knows, Brian? Who knows? I could win, you know. Because I've got rocket. Oh god. Oh, are you serious? I only hit one goblin, spear goblin. Oh god, I'm dead. I am so dead. So
There
dead.
you are.
No! No, I died by pitiful arrows. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Oh god, oh my god, oh my god, that is... They look so sexy.
Hello! Hello! Boys, this is the game the Parrots Gamer. And welcome back to, well, yeah, Clash Royale. Welcome back to Clash Royale.
It's about your 4th episode.
Haven't been really playing much, and I am in Arena 5.
Oh yeah. No!
What should I win? I have so much winning decks! This is my winning deck. This is my come and go. They're really good or really rubbish.
Why does everyone... Why in Agario or Slitherio, the name is always Arcade Goat. Why is that? I just saw someone.
My clan.
Ooh, somebody died. Mine. Mine.
I'm gonna go to training camp. Wah.
I'm just eating poop and I'm growing this big. This guy's really big. Oh god. Is this guy the top? If he is, I want to eat him. Oh, this guy. Eat me. Oh wow. Oh man. Oh god. I'll be trapped if I went in there. Oh god. Oh man. Oh man. Oh no, 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 no. Get out of here. Funny. Funny. I like how Samsungs can just get rid of ads. Ooh, there's death. Jesus! You almost hit each other. Gonna try to kill this guy.
So nothing can hurt the pepper, everything will just hurt the giant. Oh my god.
No! Don't trap me, I'm an innocent! I'm innocent, I'm tiny, what the hell, man?
Well, yeah, we pretty much won now. That tower's dead. gonna get rid of that. Get rid of that dumb
There's still lots of tiny guys.
and then
Thanks for the food. You're really delicious.
yeah, that's it. Probably. We've won now.
Oh yes. Oh, this guy's not that big, but I'll take it.
Lol. LOL.
Ooh. Ooh. Why would this guy just leave this all?
I'll show you my deck.
Hey, you! That's all mine!
Well, this is my winning deck. This deck is what I use to get to Spell Valley. This is the giant skeleton. Good to take out tower because that does a lot of death damage.
Yes.
Musketeer to take out air. Bomber to take out big groups of barbarian. That to take out also big groups. That is for defense to distract pump right
Damn it.
whatever. This is to take out also like skeleton armies and stuff. That is to counter against strong enemies like Prince. And just because it's cheap, I just use spear goblins. I'll show you play with this deck, my winning deck.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna send that though for no reason.
If you know this video,